To fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on the app or the Amino app for some while. This is going to pop up. So what you have to do is to tap on the app info over here. So just tap on it, to click on it. When you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of Amino app. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. It depends on the phone you're using. It might be mobile data and restrictions. Make sure the background data is turned on like this. After that, go back, tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. Now go back and tap on notifications. Make sure every show notification is allowed. When it also turn off, just turn it on like this. It's very necessary. Now tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store app. So when you find your Google Play Store app, just tap on it to open it. And after that, tap on the search apps and try to search for Amino app. When you find it, just tap on Amino app and try to update the Amino app. So what you have to do is to tap on the update that is showing over here. But when you can find open but not update, just leave it like that. But when you are seeing update over here, just tap on it to get the latest updates of the Amino app. After doing this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart or reboot to reboot your device. After doing this is going to work perfectly. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has really helped you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in my comment section. See you in the next one.